The Catalan Blood Donors Federation and Use It Business present a totally new and exclusive app to make blood donating easier. You can download it from App Store or Android's Google Play, searching for the words Donants de Sang. This app store is a firm bid for new technologies and is in disposition of all citizens, so that through their mobile device, easily and in a simple way, they can use it to find out the blood storage of each type of blood, live and renewed daily. Thanks to geolocation, you can find all the points of blood extraction, main centres and mobile units around Catalonia. Thanks to the interactive map, you can look up timetables, location and how to get there. Every time that blood is given, the user can register it and share it in social networks. Some months later, the application will send a warning, reminding the user that he can do his next donation. The app also provides a history with all the user's donations. The application also counts with an advice selection, such as any person over 18 and over 50 kilos can give blood. Today, this app is available for iPhone, iPod, iPad and all Android smartphones.